So is my crepe myrtle alive or not? That is a frequent question this time of year. Many of you probably have them that are just starting to bud out, or maybe they haven't done a lot yet and you may be concerned. So what you want to do is check out the base. You should start seeing some new growth if they've frozen back to the roots, but you also want to check higher up before you do any major clipping or pruning, because if you look closely, you're likely to see some buds, like on this one, starting to swell higher up on the main stems. And you can look even higher on this one and see that it's budding out fairly high above the ground. So don't get too anxious to cut them back just yet. You should start seeing some new growth if you haven't already. In about 2 weeks, if it's still doing nothing and you're getting tons of new growth at the base, that's when you know it probably has just frozen back to the roots. So there are quite a few cultivars that are totally zone 6 hardy and do okay here. They will freeze back usually if we go below about 5 degrees or 0, but they are usually totally root hardy. So like a lot of stuff this spring, have patience and continue to watch your plants. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel if you like these videos.